Alaikum. Welcome back to our online class. How are you all? Today is 6 January 2021. We did our lesson food production from plants. Today is the third part of this lesson. Methods to increase the yield of crop. There are three methods to increase the yield of crop. The production to increase it, to make it high, using high yielding variety seeds, use of modern irrigation methods so as to obtain more amount of water, crop rotation so as to increase the fertility of the soil. Consider these 9 tips, techniques and methods regarding how to increase your corn crop yield. The plant effectively, practice seasonal soil rotation, know the yield potential, always scout your friends, ensure proper water drainage, utilize the fertilizers, test your soil, weed early and often. High yield strategies. Examples of high yield strategies include enhanced pasture system and livestock breeds. In beef production, use of chemical fertilizer on crops and keeping dairy cows indoors for longer. It becomes necessary to increase the crop variety. Manure. Manure contains nitrogen, phosphorus and other nutrients that plants need to grow. Proper use of manure as a fertilizer minimizes the nutrient pollution to water resources and helps build healthy soils. Manure nutrients can also be used to grow worms, insect larvae, algae and other living organisms. What are the sources of manure? How do we get it? From where do we get it? Is from the cattle shed waste, dung, urine and slurry from biogas plants, human habitation waste, night soil, human urine, town refuse, sewage and sludge and silage. The waste material from the plants and animals and human beings, poultry jitter, droppings of sheep and goat, slaughterhouse waste, bone meal, meat meal, blood meal, horn and hoof meal, fish waste. There are two types of manure. Natural manure is a type of manure that is prepared from the biological waste and decomposable material. Natural manure does not harm the soil health. These are derived from animal matter, animal excreta, human excreta and vegetable matter. You could, for example, use grass clippings, silage, leaves and half-finished compost. The material will transform into great fertilizer with the help of worms in the soil. I keep feeding the mulched beds throughout the year and I hopefully keep a layer on top all year round. What are the types of manure we'll see here? First is the green manure. It increases the percentage of organic matter in the soil. Farmyard manure. It improves the soil structure and is used as natural fertilizer in farming. Compost manure. It improves the soil structure and water and the nutrient holding capacity of the soil. Next we'll see the biofertilizers. Biofertilizers are the substances that contain microorganisms, living or plant cells. Biofertilizers increase the nutrients of host plants when applied to their seeds, plant surface or soil by colonizing the rhizosphere of the plant. Biofertilizers are more cost effective as compared to the chemical fertilizers. Biofertilizers such as Rhizobium azotobacter Azospirillum, and blue-green algae, BCA is a short form of it, have been in use a long time. Rhizobium inoculant is used for leguminous crops. Azotobacter can be used with crops like wheat, maize, cotton, mustard, potato, and the vegetable crops. Artificial fertilizers are manufactured from petrol or natural gas. They can contain a wide variety of nutrients including nitrates, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. Fertilizers that contain nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus are called NPK fertilizers. Next, we'll see about the artificial fertilizers. They can either be plant derived or animal derived. Some examples of it are mushroom manure, blood meal, bone meal, cotton seeds meal, kelp meal, poultry, or the horse manure which is aged, and compost. Synthetic fibers are those composed of synthesized chemicals of nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. Ideally, the best manure for the gardens is probably the chicken, since it has a very high content of nitrogen, a need all plants have, but it must be composted well and aged to prevent burning of plants. Chicken manure is a rich source of nutrients and is best applied in the fall or spring after it has had a chance to compost. Manure is better than fertilizer. Got it? Manure is better than fertilizer. It is more productive and it has good nutrients. Manure is derived naturally and adds a lot more than just nutrients to the soil. They increase the activity of microbes in the soil and increases its fertility. Chemical and natural fertilizers. Fertilizers fall into two categories: organic or natural, and inorganic or the chemical fertilizer. Natural fertilizers are those formed through decomposition, while chemical fertilizers are man-made or mined. Natural fertilizers improve the texture of soil and increase the amount of beneficial microorganisms. Organic fertilizers are substances that are derived from the remains of byproducts of natural organisms which contain the essential nutrients for plant growth. Now we'll see the comparison chart. The chemical fertilizer and organic fertilizer. The rate of production, release, and the immediate supply is very slow. We'll conclude the lesson for today with the homework. First question, explain types of fertilizers with examples. Second question, what is the importance of manure? Got it, children? Submit me the homeworks by 5 in the evening. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. See you in next class.